Hey everybody, welcome back to Why Guys Farm, and just kind of want to tell you a little bit about why I'm doing this. I put it in the description of the first episode, but I've had, during this distance learning time, I've had some students ask me for more work, and one of the things I suggested was to find something that interests you, use this time to go in depth and explore certain topics and things like that. And so I kind of decided to take my own advice on that and to learn about something I've been wanting to do for several years now, is to learn how to garden. So that's what we're doing. So one of the things that I was thinking about before this is that, yeah, I'm getting kind of old and it seems kind of almost like a waste to learn new things at my age, but you know, why not? One of the things I remember is the best time to plant a tree is 30 years ago. The second day to plant a tree is today. So we're just going to go ahead and get started on learning how to garden. So hopefully...
Why?
Why what?
Why 30 years ago?
Why 30 years ago? Because this tree was planted probably 30 years ago, and now look how big it is. Now we can enjoy it, all right? Versus if I plant this tree today, maybe when you're 30 years old, that you'll be able to enjoy the tree. But in 30 years... I'll be quite a bit older than I am now. So anyways, so we're just going to give it a try, and hopefully we succeed. But if not, we'll still succeed in learning something. So even if we fail, we'll learn how not to do things. So, and let's give it a shot.